Hey guys, we're back with another episode. Today we're working on a Chevy Impala, and my speakers don't work. As you can see, my radio's on. See, volume's halfway, but speaker doesn't work. And from what I was reading, when I was doing a little bit of digging around, somewhere in this track, there's a connection that gets wet due to moisture. And if you see down in here, we got moisture. Now, I mean, it was mainly because I was getting water from back there and it was leaking back here. I already fixed that problem, but now I need to fix the wiring. So what we're gonna do is take this off. Pretty much close it out. Let me take a closer look. Hopefully that's clear for you. Anyway, just double check and make sure we don't need anything else. It looks like we're done. All the other wires are good. So we are going to rejoin these two, but I gotta find some grip wire first, and then we'll connect them back together. So let's go get some, and then we'll. There you go. That fixed the problem. Alright, so if that's what your problem is, So if that's what your problem is, I mean, you don't have any sound to your speakers, it's more than likely because one of these wires got corroded and fell apart, disconnected. So what you do is you pull back. You don't have to take the seats out. I'm actually doing something else to the car right now. It's getting a complete overhaul detail, as you can see. So I pulled the carpet out so I could pressure wash it and clean it the right way. It actually came out great. Looks almost new. Anyway, the orange wire. This is the wire that was kind of corroded and broken off. You can find it behind the passenger seat in front of the rear seat. And it just sits right in this little tube here. You just pull this panel off here and it's sitting right there in that tube. Pull them out, separate them, find that wire, and get it back together. I went back with a thicker gauge. It's like a double. And I'm going to heat shrink these together, and then I'm going to wrap it with duct tape. So, that's it. So the radio works, everything's good, and we can move on. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later.